Hello, my name is Stephanie Lutz, and today we will take a closer look at workspaces and teams. But first off, what exactly are workspaces? Workspaces can be created in every account and enables users to collaborate and manage projects together. You can think of it as a virtual office where you keep all your projects organized and managed. Like in every office, you will have a workspace owner. You can have multiple workspace admins and also invite other members to collaborate on your projects. Within a workspace, you are also able to create teams. There you can then assign a team to various members and simply only publish specific custom forms, specific price list to that particular team. But let's take a dive into our cloud and see how we can create our workspace. To create a workspace or manage the workspaces and its members, you would have to be in your magicplan cloud. Let's start with creating a new workspace. You would go down to your profile at the bottom left corner and click here on Select Workspace. When you are new to magicplan, you will only have a personal workspace. Here you can work within that personal workspace, but you can always create additional workspaces here. And we can just name our workspace and create our new workspace. Simple as that. As you can see, the new workspace created has got no active subscription. And here I'd like to point out that each workspace would have to have its own subscription. For the demonstration purposes, I will go back to my already set up demo workspace where I currently have 5 seats purchased, and then I can go to invite members. Here you will see a long list of members depending on how many subscriptions you have purchased. And here in the top right corner, you are always able to invite more members. Let's try it out. And we are inviting my lovely colleague at magicplan, Sylvia. And we simply type the email address of the users and we click on continue. Now our invite has been sent to Sylvia, and as soon as she accepts it, she will become an active member in my workspace. Sylvia has accepted my invitation, and as you can see now, she is an official workspace member. I now can decide if I would like to promote her to a workspace admin, and I can also here with the function on the right, remove any member that has maybe left the company. What does a workspace admin mean? A workspace admin has got additional rights, like for example, viewing all other projects of other members within the workspace. A workspace admin is also able to create custom forms, create price lists, and update the company profile. So now we have invited all our members and the members have accepted the invitation. I'm also able to search for a particular member by using the search bar on top. But let's go and create a team within my workspace. I would simply go to create team. Let's call this team magicplan. And I can already select the various members of the workspace that need to be part of this team. As soon as I create this team and add the members, this team will be created. If I click on it, it will list all the names of the members that are part of this team. Same functionality as in the workspace. Here I can remove the member if that member is no longer working for the company or has left the team. And here on top, I can also delete a team should I have created a team that is not needed anymore. And I can also decide myself if I would like to join the team. And the nice functionality about Teams is that I can not only invite members that are part of the workspace, I can also invite guests, meaning contractors that are not part of a workspace, but specifically assigned to a team. Here I can simply invite them, and then also once the project is finished, we can remove them. Now let's look at your project overview in the cloud. On your main overview, you will always see the projects created by yourself and uploaded in the cloud. If you click here on the top, you will be able to then view all projects uploaded from every workspace member within that workspace, or obviously the team as well. You are also able to search a specific member, and then as soon as you search for that member, all the projects that were uploaded by this member will be shown in your overview. I would also like to point out that only the plan creator is able to download his project from the magicplan cloud to the magicplan app. You can, however, assign a project to another member within your workspace or team. For this, you click into your project and you go to the top right corner. Here you are presented with two options. You can either move the project within your workspace or team, or you can assign this project to another member. Here we can just assign this project to myself, and I save it. And then as soon as the project is assigned to another person, this person will be able to download that particular project to their app and start editing it. As soon as you've done any changes to your workspace in the cloud, please note that all workspace members would have to update their workspace configuration within the app. They do so by swiping the main screen down, refreshing the app, and then they will see a little red dot in their account where they simply tap on it, and voila, all the workspaces are updated and everybody is on the most current status. I would like to thank you for joining me on this video today, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.